I'm sorry, when you say the growth of shrubs has increased, do you mean the shrubs are bigger or that there are more shrubs? Good question, and the answer is both. The size of the shrubs has increased, and the shrub cover has spread to what was previously shrub-free tundra. Okay, so what's the puzzle? A warmer temperature should lead to increase the vegetation growth, right? Well, the connections are not so simple. The temperature increase has occurred during the winter and spring, not during the summer. But the increase in shrubs has occurred in the summer. So, how can increased temperatures in the winter and spring result in increased shrub growth in the summer? Well, it may be biological processes that occur in the soil in the winter that cause increased shrub growth in the summer. And here's how. There are microscopic organisms that live in the soil. Uh, these microbes enable the soil to have more nitrogen, which plants need to live, and they remain quite active during the winter. There are two reasons for this. First, they live in the active layer, which, remember, contains water and that doesn't penetrate the permafrost. Second, most of the precipitation in the Arctic is a form of snow. Precipitation. ああ、ああ、そうでしたか。Arctic is in the form of snow, and the snow which blankets the ground in and it allows the temperature of soil to remain warm enough for microbes to remain active. So there's been an increase in nutrient production in the winter, and that's what's responsible for the growth of shrubs in the summer and their spread to new areas of the tundra. Areas with more new nutrients are the areas with the largest increase in shrubs. But what about runoff in the spring? When the snow finally melts, Once the nutrients get washed away, spring so always washes. The soil, doesn't it? Well, much of the soil is usually still frozen during peak runoff, and the nutrients are deep down in the outer layer anyway, not high up near the surface. Which is a part of the outer layer most affected by runoff. But as I was about to say, there's more to the story. The tundra is windy and the snow is blown across the tundra. It's caught by shrubs, and the deep snow drifts often around shrubs. And we've already mentioned that inserting the effect of snow. So that extra warmth means even more microbial activity, which means even more food for the shrubs, which means even more shrubs and more snow around, etc. It's a circle, a loop. And because of this loop, which is promoted by warmer temperature in winter and spring, well, it looks like the tundra may be turned into shrubland. But will it be long term? I mean, maybe the shrubs will be abandoned for a few years, and then it will change back to tundra. Well, shrub expansion has occurred, 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 occur. Occurring in an environment like semi-arid grassland and tall grass prairies. Shrub expansion in this environment does seem to persist almost to the point of causing a shift. Once it's established, shrubs and thrives, particularly in the Arctic, because Arctic shrubs are good at taking advantage of increased nutrients in the soil better than other Arctic plants.